Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn Intermediate 1B Maths, chapter number 2, Transformation of Axis, first exercise, question number 9. Find the angle through which the axes are rotated so as to remove xy term in the equation x square plus 4xy plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. So here we have to find the angle. So just you see, we will write the question here. Question given equation is nothing but x square plus 4xy plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the given equation. Now what we have to do? We have to compare the given equation with standard equation. So that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard equation. Now compare. So here ax square is equal to, here in the original equation x square is there. Both the sides x square cancel. We will get a is equal to 1. X square before nothing is there means you have to think as a 1. So here you see 2hxy, that is equal to 4xy. xy cancel on both the sides. 2h is equal to 4. H is nothing but 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay. Next, similarly you calculate b value. By square is equal to y square is there. Okay, b it is in multiplication with y square is going to right side. Y square by y square cancel, b value 1. Similarly you calculate g value. 2gx, that is equal to minus 2x. Okay, so g is nothing but minus 2x by 2, it is in multiplication, it goes to division. X also it is in multiplication, it goes to division. 2x cancel, I am getting g value minus 1. Similarly 2fy, that is equal to 2y. F is nothing but 2y by 2y. Both gets cancelled, I will get f value 1. Next year's finally c value is minus 6. So we got a value, b value, h value, g value, f value and c value. Now we will see the formula. By using that formula we are going to find out the angle. Here we have a formula. Theta is equal to half tan inverse 2h by a minus b. If a is not equal to b, so a is not equal to b means we have to use this formula. If a is equal to b, directly we can write theta is pi by 4. So what is the formula? Just you see here, theta is equal to 1 by 2 times tan to the power of minus 1 2h by a minus b. When we have to use this formula? When a is not equal to b. When a is not equal to b, we can use this formula. Okay, and we have one more formula. Theta is simply pi by 4 when a is equal to b. So now you observe here a value and b value. Here a value is 1, b value is also 1. So both are equal. So 1 is equal to 1. So we have to use the second formula. So our answer is theta is equal to pi by 4. But if for example, A and B are not equal, we have to use the first formula. That is theta is equal to half tan to the power of minus 1 into 2h by A minus B. When A is not equal to B, we have to use this formula. If A is equal to B, we can write directly angle is pi by 4. This is a required solution for us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.